Hey, what is up YouTube? It's K1 KGKC Studios. Today, I'll be showing you how to get item every 2 minutes. So what you do is you get a big field of wheat, like so, and wait till it regrows. And once it grows, just chop it all down. And normally you'll get, see that time I didn't get an item, but normally you'll get one. And see, I just do corn in here, and I'll see I got an item right there. And usually you get a lot of items from harvesting your crops, but it's easier to get items with wheat because it harvests in like 2 minutes. So if you want to add me on Game Center, my name is XXJXJXWX, and my name will be in the description if you did not hear that. So yeah, just regrow your corn, go get it, and then you will get a lot of items like that. See, I have way more, and you get a lot of nails usually. And I sold a lot of my nails, and I usually sell my nails if you guys need nails, or if you don't want to do this, I'll sell you nails if you just add me on Game Center. Okay, K1 from KGKC Studios, and I am out.